In this video, I will show you how you can connect domain to your Shopify store. Now, if you have purchased your domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy or Hostinger, the process might be a little bit different. So I will show you the most popular one, which is GoDaddy. So you just need to start by opening up Shopify store and head over to your settings. Then look for the option of domains and then click on connect existing domain. Now you just need to copy the name of your domain and paste it in your domains. If you have multiple domains, you need to make sure to head over to your domain section and you will going to see the list of your domains. So simply copy the one that you want to connect to your Shopify store and then click on next. This is going to give you two options: connect automatically or connect manually. Now as it is GoDaddy, it is only going to show you connect automatically. If you have Namecheap or Hostinger, you have to connect manually. So for the purpose of this video, I will click on connect manually because you might have purchased from Namecheap or any other domain provider. So click on verify connection, and now we need to do some changes on the GoDaddy side. So simply click on manage DNS. This is going to take you to the back end of your domain where you need to start by adding some DNS records. So simply the first record that we need to add is a record with the name @ and with the Shopify IP address. Simply copy your Shopify IP address and then click on add new record. Choose the A type and simply type @ and simply add the value, which is Shopify IP address. Then click on save, and after adding your A record, you now need to add one CNAME. So simply click on add new record. This time select CNAME. As for the name, www, and as for the value, you need to simply copy the Shopify address and simply paste it just like so. Now click on save again, and once you have added those two DNS records, you can then go back to your Shopify and then click on verify connection. And it might take few minutes to activate your domain, as it is also saying some providers take a few minutes to update settings. You can check later for connection update. And there you have it, we have successfully connected our domain to our Shopify store. So that's the way of how you can connect any domain to your Shopify store.